Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another best affordable fall palette series videos, and today we're going to be focusing on the Berries palette from Beauty Bay. And here is what the palette looks like on the inside. So those beautiful, gorgeous berry tones that we all love. I'm going to start with this shade Bubblegum right here. There are just so many beautiful sparkly shades in this palette that I just absolutely adore. Cause you know, like, I am that sparkle girl. Like, give me all the sparkle in the world. I love it. And I'm still doing the curly hair thing. I think I've been doing it for like 8 days now. My hair does feel a lot better. It's not nearly as frizzy when I wake up in the morning. I definitely miss the length of my hair because I've been growing it out for years. And I mean, it's not curly, it's down to about here, which you can't see, but yeah, I definitely miss the length. But I'm hoping that this will allow it to grow longer, and then, you know, maybe my curls will be a little softer because I've been trying to not scrunch as much when I get my product in, but my hair just still kind of does the same thing. But I guess that's just how it is. Like, you have a certain type of curls, and if you kind of let it go, naturally that's just what you get. I'm trying to figure this out. Get that moved away a little bit. But yeah, I'm actually starting to enjoy the curly hair thing. It's just so funny. It's something that I've fought my whole life. And now I'm like, kind of like it. Not really upset. Don't hate it. Let's see. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Claret right here. And I'm still like not setting my foundation with a powder, which I think the Maybelline Superstay Active 30-Hour Foundation, I think that with the right primer, like, I can't use too much of a hydrating primer. I think it's funny because, like, I swear my skin is like dry, but if I use too much, too much of a hydrating primer, like, stuff just does not set down or sink into my skin. So I just kind of have to, you know, like anything else, mess with things and find like the right combination of it all to figure out what works best with my skin. But I think I am enjoying how this foundation is looking with the primer that I used today, which I'm not even sure if they still make it. It was the LA Girl HD Smoothing Primer, I think is what it's called. I used it years ago and loved it, and just kind of, for whatever reason, just moved on to something else and didn't go back to it. But I found one in my drawer, and I was like, you know, I used to love this primer. I'm going to try it, and it's looking really, really nice. So that might be my new go-to. I just have to make sure that they are still selling it. I guess because I haven't been looking for it, because I, for whatever reason, stopped using it, I just haven't really seen it around. So I'm hoping I'll still be able to find it, if anything, on Amazon. But it is a really, really nice smoothing primer. I think I'm going to go in with the lighter one, which is, what shade is this? The shade Cloud right here. I might end up, I'm going to put a different shade on top of that, because on my hand it looked more pink, but I got a little bit of the purple in it, and it's just coming on way more purple. So I'm going to go in with the shade Nova over that, just to kind of, because I'm feeling a little more pink look today. These shades are so soft. Okay, yeah, those two together are gorgeous. Very, very pretty. It's still coming off a little more purple, but I think we'll be able to get to where I want it to be. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's like the best of both worlds right there. So I'm just kind of going to do the same thing on the other eye. Go in with the shade Cloud and then go in with Nova after that. Just to get the same effect. Yeah, this is just a really, really pretty, simple, just fun fall look. Okay, now for the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna go in with this shade, Yulo. That is such a pretty pink. And then for the lower inner corner, I am going to go in with the shade Sofa, which is that shade right there. Alright, I'm going to go put on my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and here is the final look. Just a beautiful, beautiful, fun berry shade look, which I think is perfect for fall. And again, this is the Berries palette by Beauty Bay, which I love Beauty Bay. Here's the inside of the palette. And the lip that I am wearing is by Joa Beauty. It's their Endless Longwear lip color, and this is in the shade Ice Cream. And this applicator, it's just like a doe foot applicator. It does have like a slight angle to it. This is a really, really pretty shade. It feels very velvety, so it is kind of drying, which I try to stay away from since I feel like my skin and everything has just been so dry lately. But I'm not mad at it. I like how it looks. I think it's a really pretty shade. Depending on how it wears out the day, I don't know that I would pick another one up, but sorry, there's like a thing like floating around in front of me. But if you are more of a fan of a more dry matte lip, or maybe your lips are just more naturally hydrated than mine are, I would say pick this up. They had several different shades. This is just the one that I happened to pick up. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, stay safe wherever you are, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.